How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can use the pulse trigger in Geometry Dash. So it's extremely simple to do this. You could basically pulsate many objects like blocks, background, and more. So first things first, I'm going to place my pulse trigger to this specific part. And of course, now we want to click on Edit Object. So in my case, I'm going to be pulsating my background. So I'll just click on the channel ID, click on background. You could pulsate many things you want to. And in here, let's pulsate it into red. There's multiple presets or edits that you could make. Basically, the fade in is how long the animation will take place. And for the second one, which is hold, this is how long the color will hold. So in my case, the fade in effect will take half a second. It will hold that color for 1.5 seconds, and it will be the same for the fade out effect. And as you can see right here, as we pass through the pulse trigger, it will then pulse, changing it to color. And basically after 2 seconds, it will then fade back. So that's how easy it is to simply use the pulse trigger in Geometry Dash. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.